Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore 15 ways your dog will show that they trust you. Trust has a huge meaning when it comes from your dog. They know you better than anyone. Here are just 15 ways. 1. They maintain eye contact. A dog that trusts you will hold soft, relaxed eye contact without looking away nervously. 2. They expose their belly. Rolling over and showing their belly is a vulnerable position, showing complete trust and comfort. 3. They sleep near you or on you. Dogs only sleep deeply near people they feel safe with. 3. If they curl up against you, they trust you. 4. They follow you around. A dog that trusts you will naturally want to stay close, even when they don't need anything. 5. They let you touch their paws and ears. Many dogs are sensitive about their paws and ears. 5. If they allow you to handle them without pulling away, they trust you. 6. They bring you their favorite toy. Offering a prized possession shows love and trust, as they see you as part of their pack. 7. They relax around you. A trusting dog will lounge, stretch out, and show loose, relaxed body language when you're around. 8. They lean on you. Dogs lean against people they trust, using them as a source of comfort and security. 9. They lick you. Licking is a form of affection, similar to how dogs groom each other in a pack. 10. They don't overreact to your movements. A trusting dog won't flinch or startle when you move quickly, touch them unexpectedly, or make a sudden noise. 11. They yawn when you yawn. Dogs that trust and bond with their humans will often catch their yawns, a sign of emotional connection. 12. They obey your commands happily. A dog that follows your commands without hesitation trusts your leadership and guidance. 13. They wag their tail loosely around you. A relaxed, wiggly tail, especially with a wagging butt, means they are happy and comfortable in your presence. 14. They match your energy. A trusting dog will adapt to your mood, being playful when you are and resting when you relax, because they feel in sync with you. 15. They share their food with you. If your dog brings you a treat or allows you near their food without guarding it, they trust you completely. Does your dog show any of these signs? Let me know in the comments what your dog does. And if you want more fun, informative videos, check out these videos right here. Bye for now. See you in the next video.